Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to today's video. So before we get into this kind of get ready with me video, first off, yes, I do realize that there is some blonde still in my gray and mint green. I ran out of hair color, so I'll be touching that up. And secondly, I know that I haven't had a video up in a couple of days. Obviously, elephant in the room. I got my septum pierced, and I didn't want to put makeup like in this area until I felt like it was a little more healed. So now that that's out of the way, I want to let you guys know I will be using KatVonD today. So if you have canceled KatVonD or you just don't like her products or you're no longer into her, then this is definitely not a video for you. You can exit and check out another one of my videos. But I mean, I did get this stuff for Christmas and I really wanted to use it. So it is the Fetish eyeshadow palette, which was her holiday palette this year, and the Fetish highlight and blush palette. I got this one from Tashina, and Nay got me this one. So if you're interested in these products and the look that I create, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using the KatVonD Fetish eyeshadow palette. I'm not going to be going into too much detail with the palette. If you guys want a more detailed video, if you're interested in that, then please let me know in the comments down below and I'll do that. This is kind of just a quick get ready with me because I am getting ready for work. I will say though, I do like this really big mirror that comes in the palette. A lot of people have canceled KatVonD this year. Listen, I ain't in it. I am just here to use the palette, okay? I got a lot of the, actually I have all of the holiday palettes that she's ever come out with, so I really wanted this one. I personally like her products. I'm not going to get into too much detail about, you know, why people were coming for her and the reason she was canceled and all this and all that. You can, I'm sure it's floating all over social media, or you can like look it up on Google and whatnot, but I just feel like to each their own. You know, everybody gets canceled once in their life, I suppose. So hopefully she comes back from that, because I mean, I personally think her products are good. But yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm just taking this green shadow, and it's called La Petite Morte, and I'm just blending this onto the outer portion towards the crease, really just building that up. I don't know that I like this blending brush for that though. I think I like this for blending out the edges, so I'm just going to switch my brush real quick. I really need to clean my brushes. I've been, I don't know, kind of lazy about stuff. I feel like this cold, snowy weather, after a while, it gets really depressing because you're like stuck in the house and you don't really want to do anything. You don't want to get dressed and go out because it's cold, or, you know, it's snowy or icy and the roads are bad. I live in Northeast Ohio, so yeah, we get snow. It was snowing actually when I woke up today. But if you guys live where there's snow, you know what I'm talking about. Alright, so now that I have that blended on, and I did get some fallout, I'm not sure how I feel about this so far, because it's like, it blended and built a little weird. I'm going to try to blend it out a little bit more without losing it, but it seems like when I blend, I lose the product right over here, and same thing on this side, and then I have to go back in and like add it in. So the green I don't think is my favorite in this palette, but I have used this palette before and I didn't have an issue with the dark blue that's in it. I'm just letting you guys know in case, you know, you do like KatVonD and you were thinking about picking this up before it's gone while it's on sale, or if you did get it and you're not sure what to do with it or how to use it. So hopefully when I add in the other color, it will just kind of all blend together. So I'm going to be using the shade Sex, which is a mustard orangey yellow shade. And you guys, I've kind of been like in a makeup funk, like as far as like new things to review. So let me know if there's something that you guys like want me to pick up that I might not have, or a review that you might want to see on a specific brand, even if it's an indie brand, because I love indie brands, you know, or a new product, whatever it may be. Let me know, because nothing is like sparking my interest. Like, I haven't seen anything where I'm like, oh, I have to have that product, I gotta get that eyeshadow. I don't know what's going on. I know there's a lot of like new stuff out. I mean, it can even be like a liquid lipstick or some brushes or something. Just let me know in the comments down below what it is that you guys have seen and you would be interested in seeing me like review it, whatever it is. Okay, I do like my eyes. I do feel very tropical. So I'm going to quickly go off camera, finish up the eyes, put my foundation on and like contour and stuff like that, because the next focus is the Fetish blush and highlight palette. So we're going to see how this goes, because like the blush selection is a little extreme. It's like hot pink, the salmon color, and this like light purple color, but I am excited about the highlights because I do have her Metal Crush highlight palette. So I will be right back in a few. Alright you guys, so now that I have the rest of my face on and the rest of my eyes done, we're going to go into the Fetish palette, the blush palette, and I am going to be using Salem for the blush. Honestly, you guys, I wasn't expecting that shade to look like this on my skin. It's very pretty. It's very flattering, so I definitely do like it. I did have to like kind of build it up a little bit just because I like a little extra blush, but if you have a lighter hand, you can of course go in very lightly with the shades, but I really like this. And of course, I'm going to go in with Magic for my highlight, since it kind of matches the blush. This is really pretty. Do keep in mind though, if you've never used a KatVonD highlight, they are very glittery. So if you like a more natural glow and not so much glitter, which you guys know I love glitter, then her highlights will not be for you, but I love this. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. I really like how it came out, and like I said, I did have to work with the green shadow a little bit, but other than that, I think that the eyeshadow palette was great, and I don't think that the blush or the highlight palette was too bad. I know everybody has a difference of opinion, but I really didn't have an issue with it. I enjoyed using the products. So if you guys like this video and you enjoyed this look, please give the video a thumbs up. Also, you guys, don't forget, if you want me to grab something, review something, please let me know in the comments down below. Even if it's a lipstick, a foundation, an eyeshadow palette, it doesn't matter what it is, a skincare product, let me know, and I will try to get my hands on it and get a review up for you guys. Also, you guys, don't forget to put a smile on your face, because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. Please subscribe and hit that bell notification so you're not missing out on any more videos. And I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.